There's nothing like getting out in the world with your RV. But it can really spoil the fun when your RV black and gray water tanks are slow to drain, give off unpleasant odors, or have unreliable sensor readings. For years, owners relied on chemical treatments and low-pressure sprayers powered by a garden hose to clean dirty tanks. But those can't always solve the problem when residue in the tank has dried and solidified, or is stuck to walls and sensors like glue. That's why some enterprising service companies started using sewer jetters powered by pressure washers to clean RV holding tanks. Sewer jetters are designed to scrub and more thoroughly clean household drains, but their narrow spray pattern is designed to pull the jetter through long pipes, not to clean RV tanks. And this plastic-braided sewer jetter has exposed wrench flats and threads, making it harder to feed through some RV drains. But what if you could design an improved hydrojetter for cleaning RV holding tanks? It would have a flexible steel braid for easier twisting through RV drain lines, a compact nozzle end with no exposed wrench flats or threads, and a higher force nozzle with high-angle jets to more thoroughly clean RV tank walls and sensors. Introducing the RV Tank Cleaner from Clog Hog, powered by your electric pressure washer. It's designed for more thorough cleaning and better RV living. If you're a service professional, visit cloghog.com/RV to try this harder-working hydrojetter for yourself. Or if you own an RV, visit cloghog.com/map to find a service company with the Clog Hog RV Tank Cleaner. For more tips, information, and videos, visit us online. And thanks for watching.